A few years ago, my three sons came to me and asked a question I'll never forget. Dad, would you teach us how to become better investors? They saw what I had been building over the years, and at the time, my youngest was about 27 years old. They were certainly not kids, but they still had huge gaps in their financial education, and that really worried me because in money, missing pieces are expensive. I call them missing financial building blocks. It's when people skip the foundational information and jump straight to hot investments. They want dessert, but don't even know how to turn the oven on. I refuse to let my boys make that mistake. I pulled them back to the basics, even when they got super annoyed with me, because I had seen what happened when people get investing ideas without a solid foundation. It's like handing a sharp knife to a 1-year-old. It's very dangerous. There are a ton of brilliant investors out there, hedge funds, algorithms trading faster than humans ever could think of. You can't beat them long term without a system, without a solid foundation. So I asked myself, how did I actually build my own wealth? And more importantly, how do I pass this on properly? That's when one of my sons said, Dad, you should put this online for us and even for your grandkids and anyone else that's interested. That was the birth of the Ohhh Money Channel. Here, I'm sharing the complete wealth building system I've developed over decades of blood, sweat, and very expensive lessons. No hype, no get-rich-quick nonsense, just real proven principles that actually work. If you're tired of the missing pieces, if you want to build real wealth the right way, you're in the right place. Welcome to the Ohhh Money Channel. Let me help you build a financial future that lasts. Like these kind of videos? Subscribe today.